In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make QR codes Affinity. By the end, you'll have a clean, scannable QR code placed right on your canvas and linked to the exact web page you want. Start by opening your document in Affinity. On the toolbar, look for the group of shape tools. Click on a shape to open the full list of available shapes. This expands the shape picker so you can choose from more than just rectangles and circles, which is where the QR option lives. Now, in that same shape menu, click on the QR code option. Depending on your workspace, it may appear as a dedicated QR code shape or within a flyout of shapes. Selecting it tells Affinity you want to generate a vector QR code instead of drawing a regular geometric shape. Move your cursor over the canvas and simply drag to place the QR code. As you drag, you're defining the size of the code. Aim for a size that's easy to scan. Larger is more forgiving, especially if you plan to print it or view it at a distance. If you need precision, you can always resize it later, but starting with a generous size helps keep it crisp and readable. With the QR code on the canvas, look to the top of the interface for the context toolbar. You'll see a field that shows the current URL. Click that field. This is where you set what the QR code leads to. Replace the default text with the web address you want people to visit. Paste the link if you have it copied or type it carefully. Including the full address, like https:// followed by your domain, helps avoid broken links. Shorter URLs tend to scan more reliably, and clear destinations are best for user trust. After you've entered the correct URL, click OK to confirm. Affinity will instantly regenerate the QR code with your new link embedded. That's it. The graphic you see is a vector QR code tied to your URL. You can scale it up or down without losing quality. For clarity and consistent scanning, keep strong contrast between the code and the background. Leave some clear space around the edges and avoid placing it over busy textures. If you ever need to change the destination later, just select the QR code and revisit the same field at the top to update the link again. And with that, you've created a functional QR code in Affinity, ready to drop into print pieces, presentations, or social graphics.